Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hacker Stacker channel. In this video, I'm going to go over what I call stacking by percent. This is my method of ensuring the acquisition of silver to my stack is spread out evenly between the various forms of silver that I have decided to stack. And as a result, I've taken to using a spreadsheet to manage the numbers automatically. Now for simplicity's sake, I will use a sample of this spreadsheet with numbers that aren't in my actual file. The spreadsheet you will see is for demonstration purposes only. And I will use 4 types of silver for the example: the eagle, the maple, some 1-ounce bars, and 90% half dollars. I will then enter my goal for each one of these types. I'll use 100 eagles, 50 maples, 25 1-ounce bars, and 200 constitutional half dollars. Now let's say I start my stack by purchasing 20 of each. This means the percentages of the 4 types I have will not be equal. And it will be these percentages which drive me to my next silver purchase. Now I want to express my appreciation for you taking the time to watch my videos. So be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell to get notifications on new content. Your support will make this channel grow. The next time I have the funds available to add to my stack, I will look at my spreadsheet and see which type has the lowest percentage of my desired goals. I will see my 90% half dollar goal is the lowest, meaning I will make purchases of those halves a priority. I will go down to my LCS, pick up $5 face value, and when I return, I will change my on-hand quantity to 30. My percentage of the goal is now up to 15% for constitutional half dollars. The idea here is to not let emotion or bias drive my future purchases. While the actual counts of each item will be different, the aim is to keep stacking them in equal amounts in relationship to the percentage of the goal for that item. And at this point, my constitutional halves are still the lowest percentage. On my next purchase, my goal will be to get more halves. But let's say the LCS is totally tapped out. Someone came in an hour ago and wiped them out. I look at my spreadsheet and determine what's the next lowest percentage. Eagles? Well, if they have any at a price I'm willing to pay, I'll pick them up. Let's say 3 of them. I now have 23% of my goal of eagles complete. And if they're out of eagles or grossly overpriced, but have some maples, I'll pick up 3 of those instead. At that point, I'll be at 46% of my goal of having 50 maples. Now, maybe the next time I hit the LCFs, they'll have some junk halves, and I'll increase that 15% more. And it will be a while before I purchase any 1-ounce bars, as right now, that's the highest percentage. The only exception I will make to this method is if I find a smoking hot deal. Let's say I find a dealer that offers spot price, no premium on my first order, but it's for bullion only. 90% isn't part of the deal. I'll figure out how many eagles I can purchase with the funds I have at the moment and buy them instead. This is how I stack the various types of silver in my stack, by percentage of my goal for each type. Now it does require a bit of discipline. But once you get started stacking, you'll realize that discipline is necessary to stack successfully. So, keep on stacking, and I'll see you in the next video.